Hi, welcome to B1 Reading and Writing class. This is Unit 1, Animals, and we are doing Lesson 5. If you have your textbook with you, open it on page number 25. This video is about the preparation of a writing task. In this video, we'll discuss the word order in a sentence. We'll also discuss the importance of conjunctions and punctuation. So, without further ado, let's get started. Look at the table here. This table tells you about the word order in a sentence. Read the first sentence. Squirrels eat seeds, nuts and fruit. In this sentence, squirrels is the subject. Now, what is the subject? The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing or being something. Eat is the verb. You already know that verbs are the action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. And the object is seed, or I beg your pardon, seeds, nuts and fruit. We know that an object of a sentence is the receiver of an action. A direct object is whom or what the action is being directly done to. An indirect object is the noun for whom, to whom, for what, or to what the action is being performed. Look at sentence number 2. Grey squirrels are common in Britain. Grey squirrels is the subject. Are is the verb. Common is adjective. And prepositional phrase in Britain. Why is it called prepositional phrase? Because it has a preposition here, in. Sentence number 3. However, they were introduced from North America. The word however is a linker. The subject is they, verb were introduced, and prepositional phrase from North America. See, you have a preposition here. That is why it is called a prepositional phrase. Now it's time to practice. Exercise 1. Use some of the words in the box above to label the different parts of grammar in the sentences below. Now you have 4 sentences. Number 1. The tiger shark doesn't hunt in fresh water. Where is the subject of this sentence? Can you find out? I would suggest you should pause the video for a short while and do this exercise by looking at the box in which you have the word order. Okay, I'm sure you have finished the exercise. Let's see what the correct answers are. Number 1. The tiger shark doesn't hunt in fresh water. The subject of the sentence is the tiger shark. Verb doesn't hunt. In fresh water. In is a preposition. So what do you think in fresh water is? That's right. It's a prepositional phrase. Number 2. However, the whale shark isn't aggressive. What is however? Look at the table again and find out what however is. You're right. However is a linker. What about the subject of this sentence? It's the whale shark. The verb isn't. And what is aggressive? Aggressive is a word which is describing the whale shark. So a word which describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. Number 3, the tiger shark has markings on its skin. Where is the subject? The tiger shark. Verb, has. Object, marking. On its skin. On is a preposition, so it's a prepositional phrase. What about the last one? The whale shark has a large mouth and eats plankton. Subject, the whale shark. Verb, has. Object, a large mouth. What about and? It's called a conjunction. A conjunction is a word which is used to join two words, phrases, or sentences. We'll talk about it later on. And eats is the verb, and plankton is an object. Let's move on to the next exercise. Using and, or, but, and whereas. What do you know about and, or, but, etc.? They are called conjunctions. In grammar, a conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, or clauses. We use conjunctions to join sentences together, and when we do that, it can make our text flow better. When we join the two sentences together, we can also take out some words so we don't repeat them. This makes the sentence shorter and better because we can avoid repetition and fit more information into our writing. Let's see how it happens. Look at sentences A to E below and answer the questions. Before you answer the questions, question 1 and question 2, I beg your pardon, I would suggest that you pause the video and read sentences A, B, and C and find out the difference. Did you find any difference? Let me tell you. A. Sentence A. A has two positive sentences. Look, the tiger shark has sharp teeth. This is sentence number 1. The tiger shark has a powerful bite. This is sentence number 2. In B, the two positive sentences have been joined with and. The tiger shark has sharp teeth and the tiger shark has a powerful bite. The sentences have been joined with and the unnecessary repeated subject, the tiger shark, and verb have been omitted in sentence C. Look at this sentence. The tiger shark has sharp teeth and a powerful bite. So you can see this sentence looks far better than the previous two sentences. Question number 2. What is the difference between the use of and or in the sentences? A to E. Pause the video for a while and read the two sentences carefully. And the difference is and joins two positive sentences or joins two negative sentences. Look at 1, A, B, and C. They are positive sentences and we have used and D has two negative sentences and we have used or. Let's move on to the next slide. Exercise 3. Join pairs of sentences below with and or. Take out the repeated words. I would suggest you pause the video, do this exercise, and come back to check whether your answers are correct. Alright, let's see what the correct answers are. Number 1. The whale shark is light blue and has dots on its body. Number 2. The tiger shark is dark blue and has a stripe pattern on its body. Number 3. The tiger shark eats large sea creatures and is dangerous to humans. Number 4. The whale shark is not aggressive or dangerous to swim with. Number 5. The tiger shark is not an endangered or protected species. And number 6. The whale shark is an endangered species and protected from fishing. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Take great care of yourself.